number 1 says Marty brought 6 packets of tomato seeds. Each packet contains 24 seeds. She planted 1 packet of seeds and 15 seeds sprouted. Which statement about the seeds in the remaining packets is best supported? Okay, first of all, there's some important information. So first, the key is the remaining seeds, remaining packets. So if she used 1, how many are remaining? 5, okay? So she bought 6 packets. They contain 24 seeds. 1 packet, 15 out of 24 sprouted. Okay, so we're going to use this as a WKU, okay? This is going to go seeds sprouted over total. So 15 out of 24. And then I don't really even know either of the unknowns. I know it's 5 more packets. So I'm going to multiply this by 5. And I'm going to get 75 out of 120. Because I'm going to multiply that by 5. Okay? So 75 out of 120 are likely to sprout. But we need to read these. No more than 50. Well, I think 75 because on that packet, 15 out of 24 did. So that's not going to work for me. Are all 120 seeds? No. Okay. At least 100, but no more than 120. Well, we got 75 out of 120, so that's not going to be that either. So we're going to leave us with B. Okay, so if you look at the percentages, I have percentages of what the school did on each teak. Okay, so on this one in particular, 73.24% got it right. So that's decent because some in a minute you're going to see a lot less got it right. So, but was that an easy solution? And did some of y'all even think about it, or did we just guess? I don't know. A lot of we've heard is just guessing, but that's what you need to do on something like that. Number two, we would have taken this before Christmas. Well, we didn't even do this unit this part till after Christmas. So if you didn't get it right, I could see it, but we're going to do it real quick. So it says, what is the value of X? Well, A to B matches F to G. Okay, B to C matches G to H. And then A to C matches F to H. So what are we looking for? We're looking for X, which is blue. And I'm going to do blue over red. Okay. So blue over red.
We lost the video over there.
Okay. Oh, I would do blue over red. So 15 over 9. Do you see where I got the 15 and the 9? And then I would do blue over red. X over 13.5. I'm going to tell you, I can eliminate some answers without even having to multiply, okay? I know that 9, 12, 15 is my biggest number, right? Yes? So 13.5, 18. So X is going to have to be bigger than 18. So move that, move that. Okay, I know that this is not doubling. Is it? It would double if it was 18, but it's not. This side to this side is not doubling. So that's going to cancel that out. I didn't even have to do any math. Okay, but if I did this, I could cross multiply this and I would solve and it would be F. So the percentage based on number 2 is 70% chose F, and then the distractor was this one. Okay, that's the distractor, and I think some of y'all saw that it doubled from 9 to 18, but those aren't the same sides. So those don't go together, okay? So number 3. Okay, so if you insert X into all of these, it says which equation is true. Well, we would do 3 and 20 minus 14 equals 44. What's 20 minus 14? Well, it's 6. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 does not equal 44. Okay? You should be writing everything I'm writing. Okay, letter B. 3 and then 12 minus 14 equals 6. Well, this is negative 2. Negative 6 equals 6. Well, that's not true either. Okay, C. 2, 14 minus 3 equals 22. 2 times 11 equals 22. We shut that door. There's no way. Okay, so 22 equals 22. Looks right to me, right? But then 2 times 14 is 28. 28 minus 3 is 25. 25 does not equal 22. So Our answer choice is C. So on number 3, 73% got it right. So you kind of, that looks like it's going well at least. Okay. Number 4. I'm going to say the number one reason we missed this one is because you didn't add right or you didn't define the change. Okay, so right here it clearly says that we need 2 eggs, 1 slice of bacon, 1 glass of orange juice, and we have some tax. So a lot of you didn't multiply this by 2 or add it twice. Okay, it's adding and subtracting decimals, guys. We should nail this one. This one should be like, yes, I got that one. I'm getting that right. So we should have got $1.69 times 2, which is $3.38, and then add the $1.49, the $1.09, and the 48 cents tax, and you would get $5.44. Trying to think. $3.38. And we get, oh, that's not right. Let's just do it. 18, 26, 34, 6, 10, 14, 4, 5, 6, 644. And then we subtract that from 10. 10 minus 644, and we should get 356. If you got 525, it's because you didn't count 2 eggs. You only did 1 egg. Okay, so on number 4, our percentage is 42%. Okay, so that dropped down significantly. Shh. Significantly. So if we're 42%, the second answer was this one at 35%. So 35%, or I mean, I'm sorry, 33% of you picked H. That's because you only did 1 egg. That's what we figured out. It was a 1 egg price. Okay, so J is just the amount, not the change. And then G is, huh?
How many went for G?
Well,
I meant like I would look for. But thanks. I was looking for percentage.
11.27. Okay, so at least they understood. Hopefully they understood the change, but you really got to make sure you pay attention to the wording. It said 2 eggs. That was the difference. Okay, number 5. 346. I need to know that. Number 5. Lawrence's father gave him 200 baseball cards. Lawrence purchases 25 cards a week. Which inequality can be used to find W, the number of weeks after starting his collection, that Lawrence will have more than 750, greater than 750. Look. Boom, boom. Okay. And then he did 25 a week. 25 and W go together. Okay. So on number 5, this is, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 49%. 49% on that question. That's not very good, guys. 49%. That we just needed this one word right there, more than 750, to eliminate down to 2 answers. Okay, number 6. Which of these does not represent the distance a car travels when going 55 miles an hour? We're looking for this keyword right here. This one does. This one does. 3 hours times 55 is 165. That says what? 160. This is 55 in 1 hour. This is 110 in 2 hours. That looks good too. Okay, so it is H. Now, on that one alone, number 6, we had, 55%. That's pretty rough. Okay, number 6, or number 7. Some doctors recommend that men drink 3 liters of water each day. There are approximately 26 milliliters, 29.6 milliliters, and 1 fluid ounce. Which measurement is the closest to fluid ounces? How many numbers does that have? 1, 2, 3. What does that mean?
Too many?
No. I said something every time we did it. If we have 3 numbers, we should use a what?
WKU.
Yep, or proportion, some kind of proportion. Now, there is a conversion, okay, that needs to happen. Milliliters and liters, we need to convert that. So we know that 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. So 3 liters is 3,000 milliliters. So I'm going to do milliliters over ounces. We're looking for 3,000, and this is our known. Okay? So if you cross multiply, you end up doing 3,000 divided by 29.6. And you're going to get 101. Now, this one is... Okay, there's more people got it wrong that picked a different answer, the wrong answer, than got it right. So we're at 35% for the right answer. That's like not very good. Okay, and the A, 37% of y'all picked A. So I'm guessing y'all multiplied 29.6 times 3 and got it that way. That's how they got A, right? Should be. So we got to be careful about what we're choosing and why we're choosing it.
And guys, like real quick, like so you got a one, like well, actually you got 4 answer choices. What are the odds of guessing it right?
Oh, I did it.
25%, right? So if we've only got 50%, like we didn't even.
So number 8, it says Jose paid $47 for 4 movie tickets. We're just dividing 47 by 4. So we got here. Add our decimal, drop it down. That's 7, 28, 2, 0, 11.75. And y'all did fairly well on this one. You are at 85.92, almost 86%. So that's great because normally, baby, y'all did good on that one because for it to be an open-ended question where we have to come up with the answer, that's usually one of our worst ones. Okay, number 9, the price of a video game was reduced from 60 to 45. And then it says what percentage. Anytime you see a percent proportion, anytime you see what percentage, we're doing a percent proportion. This is amount of change over original. There's 15. That's a change because it dropped 15 it started with 60, x over 100, which is going to give you 25%. And number 9 was at 42% right. It's rough, 42%. Okay, number 10. Okay, so number 10. This is a chart. What did we say? We did charts. We did chart the unit before with the last unit. We did the amount of change here. What's the amount of change? It's adding 470. Adding 470. Adding 470. And it's changing 5. So 470 divided by 5 is 94. 94 goes in what?
X.
With our X, it's our M, right? So, oh, look, there's only one. Okay, number 10 is 62% got that right. So that wasn't terrible. Okay, we'll finish with the other questions here in just a minute.